Are you putting those up, Nick?
Yeah.
Are you putting up the ornaments?
Uh-huh. I'm putting the star ornament.
Yeah? Yeah, make sure to put up lots of those pretty ornaments, okay? But be careful, don't step on them. Okay? No, don't do that.
Lucy, just because every child can't get his wish, that doesn't mean it isn't fair.
Careful. You're finding other ornaments? Mommy's got a special ornament that you can put up here in a second if you want.
I'll do my best.
See, Mommy and Daddy and Nicholas got this. Do you remember, Nick?
I'm putting the ornaments.
Look at this. Look at this, Nick. There's a ship. Just like the one we went on. Remember when we went on the ship with Grandma and Grumpy? You want to see? It's a very pretty ship. It's hard to get out of the box. There we go. Now we have to be very gentle with it, okay?
I want to hold.
That's all right. Someday I'd like you to place on Long Island. Not a big house, just one of those junior partner deals around
It's
Manhattan.
Carnival Legend.
You know, just the kind of place you need.
No, don't touch. Don't touch. You have to see how we put these ones up on the tree.
Either that or
Put them on
not.
just like. See that?
No, I think
Watch.
you're right about Mrs. Walton.
See that?
I think you all get
You do.
I'm doing a big one.
You do a big one, okay? Ow.
That's right. Always too busy with her job. I'll take care of Susie if you'll take care of her mother. It's a deal. Ready? Oh, no, you know. Cheers. All my life I wanted something
Okay,
about my
Nick,
chance to
hold
find
on. Oh,
out.
look at this pretty ornament. You want to see a pretty ornament?
Answer to a question that's puzzled the world for centuries.
Well, this one I think we got in Arizona.
Outside or in.
We got this one in Arizona when we saw your grandma and grandpa.
Oh, damn, makes it.
You want to see?
Joe, we're running out of books. I'll get some for you right away. Yes, I know just what you want. We don't carry that brand, but I think
Here's another pretty one.
Let me see. Yes, here it is. I thought I noticed it before.
Where should we put this one?
Over
Looks like an
there.
exceptional bargain.
How about right over here?
No, over here.
Over there?
Not at all.
Oh, don't step on it.
I know, I'm trying not to, Nick. And we'll put it right there?
Yes, put it.
And why didn't one of you think of this idea? It's the greatest goodwill policy I ever heard of.
We're gonna put these ornaments up on the tree,
New
Nick.
York City suddenly thinks of Macy as a benevolent soul. Who will only
Come on, let's put up the ornaments.
And what does that make Gimble? Nothing but a profiteering money grubber. Well, you can play this game. From now on, if we haven't got what the customer wants, send it back to Macy's. And what's more, we'll do the same thing in our stores in Philadelphia, Milwaukee, and Pittsburgh. Now get to work on it right away. So, Gimble's doing it in Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, and Milwaukee, eh?
Yes, and very successful.
Look at this one, Nick. You want to see this one? It's got sand and seashells in it. Mommy and Daddy got it a long time ago before you were born. So it says, no, we do not stick that in your mouth. It says St. Thomas.
Now we'll take some at my store.
Correct.
I have something I'd like to give our friend here. This is just a little something to show my appreciation.
Thomas.
Yeah, it says St. Thomas.
Cool. That's very kind of you.
It's got seashells and it's got a
You
bucket
are
in there.
generous. That's a bit of money. What are you going to do with it?
Well, I have a friend. A doctor. He's been very kind to me.
He needs an x-ray machine.
Oh, I don't think that's going to be enough.
I'll make up the difference.
Buy it through the store and get 10% discount.
I can get it.
Nick, look, here's our star. Is that our star?
I'd like to sing you a little goodnight song.
You put it up here.
Yeah, we get to put it at the top of the tree, but not yet. We have to wait till we get everything else up there first. Okay?